And we're back with episode number 2. We're gonna do some maintenance on the car mentioned in the previous video. We're gonna improve a few things. Basically, I want to get the car up to ground zero. Currently, she's a little bit below that, but I got everything here to make her a bit more reliable, a bit more pretty. So from this side, I got some bumper shine, basically just to revive some of the plastics. I got WD-40 brake cleaner. It's a BMW, it leaks a lot of oil. You need a lot of brake cleaner, so make sure you have some. We got a transfer pump because the rear diff on these is not a serviceable item. You only get a fill plug. We also got manual transmission oil 75/80. It's a GF5 fluid. Power steering fluid CHF11S. Unfortunately, my car takes this, it doesn't take ATF. Rear diff oil 75/90. Yeah, rear diff 75/90 GF5. GF5 75/80 ATF CHF11S. What the f does all this mean? I hear ya. To simply put, GL stands for gear lubricant. The number after it represents the levels of extreme pressure and anti-wear additives. 75W80, 75W90. SAE sets standards for how the oil performs at different temperatures. So the first number, 75W, in this case, indicates how well the oil performs at lower temperatures. The last number stands for how the oil performs at higher temperatures. ATF and CHF11S are both hydraulic fluids, which basically mean they're designed to move shit, just like a hydraulic ram or just any hydraulic system, really. Even your brakes. Brake fluid is a lot different though, so don't get it mixed up. Most vehicles use ATF, but BMW, they do their own thing. I couldn't really find much about why is it better than ATF. The only thing I could find was one comment by one Redditor, and all he said is that it performs better in the cold. So I don't know, let's find out. I hooked up a very scientific test. I got a whiteboard, ATF and CHF11 chilling in the freezer. We're gonna see how their resistance to flow is. So as you can see, I was very surprised with the results. I wasn't expecting the CHF to perform this much better. Got some brake fluid. The engine oil change I've already done, but I brought it to show you what I've used. Most importantly, you got your rocker cover gaskets, Valvetronic motor seal, and you got the sensor seal. Besides these items, we're gonna fix a few things. I got the bonnet struts here, gas struts. These were dirt cheap. I was told not to cheap out on these because they just give out after a year, but I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit, see how well they hold up. These were £6 each. I got some wipers, and just to improve the looks a little bit, I got some headlight polish here. We got just a general paste. They are not very bad. They're not too faded. So I'm hoping the paste itself will be enough to get it up to standard. In case that doesn't work, I got a Turtle Wax kit to revive the headlights. And where's the clay bar? There she is. We also got some clay bar to revive the paintwork a little bit. Got a polishing pad. These just simply attach to your drill, come with many pads that you can use, and I got an auto gleam super resin polish. I think we have everything here to get her up to standard, so let's begin.
Bye, have a great time.
What is your gender? My gender? I'm a mechanic.
Up until this point, everything went well, apart from the weight reduction I've done to my bonnet by removing 2 grams of paint. Oh, at this point, I noticed cylinder number 3 flooded with oil. So after brainstorming a little bit, Sarah had the great idea to use the pipe from the brake bleeding kit to, well, manually suck it out. Jesus Christ, look at all the oil. Oh my God. Ugh. So after deep throating my spark plug, it was time to get back on our mission. We finally got the cover off. Bit of struggle. All the seals were extremely brittle, just like plastic. It was a nightmare to peel them off. We put on the new seals. Cleaned up the surfaces. And there was nothing left but to test it. It was running sweet, just checking for oil, make sure nothing leaked. The smoke you see there, don't worry, that's just the old oil burning off. The next day I started by tidying up the garage a little bit. I wanted to start by bleeding the brakes, but looking at those bleed nipples, I was like,
oh, hell no, man. What the?
oh, come on. Oh, oh, there she goes. Time to look at the brakes. Alright, come on. Push the pad back up. I'm not surprised by that. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Next video we are going to do some proper fun stuff, so stay tuned for that. Love you, bye.